Hey there, in this video I will show you how you can easily build a web design agency here in Nigeria and work with both local and foreign clients, and how you can successfully make at least 500,000 naira every month. Alright, so I am Mohammed Jami Yusuf and I'm a full-time salesman and internet marketer, and in the span of 7 months I went from losing 500,000 naira into making 7 million naira just by selling digital products. So, but this is not about me, alright, but it's all about you and how you can be super successful even in the current financial chaos in the country right now. So first of all, we have to talk about what is a website. Okay, what do you understand by a website? So to put it in a simple layman term, it's simply a shop or office on the online space. But the beauty of online shop or office, which is website, is that anyone around the world can easily have access to your business with a click of a button, which means much money for the businesses that have it. All right, so instead of having a shop or office in a location, you can have your online shop or office available for anyone around the world from the comfort of their home. And how you can make your website known to the world will be shown to you very soon. Okay, so in the early days of building website, it is always very difficult to build a website because you will need to write thousands of code for months before you successfully build just one website. But now you don't need to write even a single code or know how to code before you can even easily build a website. All you just need to do is to drag and drop and edit the website the same way you edit your video or pictures you post online, the video and pictures you post on Instagram and so on. But this time around, you'll be paid awesomely for doing that. So for you to make money as a web design agency, you need to have a web design skills and know how to sell the skills to people, which is what this whole video is all about. So in this web design full course, you'll be given all the information and knowledge to be a successful web designer. So the very first thing you will get in this course is the introduction to web in general and how internet works. Okay, so this is the very first introduction you get in the web design full course. All right, so let's go to the web design full course. So in the first introduction talks about the internet and everything in general. So you need to have this fundamental knowledge in order to be successful in this industry. You need to know how the internet works and how the back end of the internet works, so that you can have the lucrative knowledge about it. And then we start to get our hands dirty by going in depth into building a fully functioning a company website. So you will learn from A to Z how to set up a company's website and build a highly converting website that will get the company more clients, which will make them more money, which means you earn more money for being their agency. You get the idea? So if you make a company more money, you tend to make more money. Imagine the website you built for the company made the company 20 million naira. Them paying 1 million naira would be super easy. Okay, so and the least to build a fully functioning company website in Nigeria right now is 150,000 naira, and in the other countries, mostly in the US, the least amount you will design a fully website for a company is $700, approximately 504,000 naira here in Nigeria. So our own currency. Okay, so remember this is just the least the company pays for designing website. They pay way more than this depending on the nature of the job. And also you will get an exercise in this section. You get an exercise on your on what to build in this session. All right, so you get an exercise. So moving forward to the next website we are going to build, which is the e-commerce website. All right, e-commerce website. So in this section you will learn how to build any e-commerce website for businesses like grocery stores, mall, waste business, and so on. So which means anyone can buy their product, or possibly your product if you want to use it for your personal use. But the main idea behind the video is you building a web design agency, like a web design company that will help other people build a website for their brands. Okay, so which means anyone can buy your product, or whoever you design the website for product, anywhere around the world. So the least amount you can design an e-commerce website is 100,000 naira. That's the least amount you can design a e-commerce website. So you will also be able to build a hospital website in this particular course. You'll also be able to build an hospital website in this course, and with all the knowledge here, you'll be able to build any kind of website and be paid awesomely for it. Now, this is where it gets interesting. After you spent a week studying and implementing the knowledge in this course, one of the major problems most web designers get is not getting clients that will pay them for their service. That's one of the major problems most new web designer or any other skill expert have, for them to find people that will pay them money to render a service for them. So I will show you three easy ways you can use to start getting clients almost immediately, almost the moment you start. You feel like you are good enough to start working. I will show you the three easy ways you can get clients. As you know, I'm a salesman and I know how to get people to buy from me or people to pay me for whatever I want. So I'll share some of my secret, the three easy ways I use. So the very first step is by sending proposal to the companies, schools, hospitals and businesses around you. So you might be worried that you don't know how to write a proposal, like you don't know how to write a proposal. So you don't need to worry about that. There are three proposals written just for you, and you can easily use all this proposal and send to the schools or companies or hospitals you want to design the website for. So you can just model after that proposal for any other companies that you want to design for. So let's say you have 20 hotels in your area or in your locality, and you send them all this proposal. So you'll be able to get at least 3 job offers with that proposal I sent to all those 20 hotels in your area. So now imagine you being being paid 150,000 naira each. So that is 450,000 naira for just doing 3 jobs out of the 20 hotels you send the proposal to. At least you get 3 job offers. So that is 450,000 naira for just designing a website for the companies where they can where their buyers can easily book an hotel a room with them before they even get there, because you will learn everything on how you can build a fully functioning hotel website in this section. Okay. So another way is by you listing your skill on freelancing platform like Fiverr and Upwork, and I have a full course which goes in depth on that and costs lots of money. So the third way is you building a website for your own business and run ad targeting targeting foreign people and then sell your skills to them. So, and lastly, you'll be added to the MMG community. Where you can see my cursor right now, you'll be added to MMG community where I and a fellow members will help you achieve your goal easily. Okay, so there are more than 140 people in 140 members in the MMG community right now. So these people are already making it in the industry, so they will help you on how you can get started once you are ready. So now you might be wondering, with all this powerful information, how much is it going to cost you? So if I should charge you 200,000 naira for this product, it's actually worth more than every pen, because you'll be able to easily realize your money back with just one product. You've gotten all the money you've invested in this course and everything back. So instead of charging that amount or probably paying 100,000 naira for it, I will be giving it to you now for just 20,000 naira. But these are not all you will be getting. One of the major problem of every business is looking for client or customer, right? So instead of you using extra months to look for your first client, I will be giving you access to 10,000 plus contact lists of potential clients you can easily send proposal to right now. The moment you pay for this course, I'll be giving you access to 10,000 contact lists, 10,000 emails of potential contacts you can send your proposal tools immediately, and then you start receiving messages for them, because everybody in this world needs a website in one way or the other. And with these skills you are going to learn here, you'll be able to design any website that anybody wants. And the least, like you are doing a giveaway, you don't want to even charge them, and the least amount you will charge for building a website for anyone is 50,000 naira. That's the least amount. You don't want to even charge them at all. That's 50,000 naira to design a website for them. So imagine you send a proposal to maybe 1,000 contacts in that particular 10,000 contact list I sent to you in a week. So there's no way you won't get at least 30 clients to work with. Now imagine you design a website for them for 80,000 naira each. So there's no way you get it. They will not get 30 clients from that 1,000 contacts. Can you imagine that? So now imagine you designing a website for them for just 80,000 naira. That is 2.4 million naira in a month, easy peasy. Okay, easy peasy. So if you are interested in what I've been showing you so far and you would love to buy now, I have a special offer for you if you will be making the payments now. So you will be given access to all we've discussed so far, and also access to my freelancing course, okay, which I will show you right here. So you'll be given access to all we've discussed so far, and also to my freelancing course that I sell for 25,000 naira for free. So you will learn how to list your web design skills on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork and start getting paid in dollars. So the second gift I have for you is giving you access to a full course that teaches you how to create a PayPal account here in Nigeria. Because when you start your web design skills, all right, so I'll give you access to a PayPal account. Okay, so how to create a PayPal account, I'll give you access to it if you make the payment now. So because once you start your agency, you start getting offers from people from other countries, and for them to pay you, you will need to have a PayPal account where they will pay you too. Okay, so this cost alone costs 15,000 naira. This PayPal creation account costs 50,000 naira. So the third gift I will be giving you if you make the payment now is the full Facebook ad course. All right, I'll be giving you full Facebook ads course. All right, so you'll be given access to full Facebook ads. So this course will teach you how to run a profitable Facebook ad and how to generate quality leads that will pay you for your service. So remember, there are over 5 billion people on Facebook, which means you have lots of people to sell to. So this course actually costs 20,000 naira. This Facebook ad course costs 20,000 naira, but you'll be getting it for free if you make the payment now. So if you want to get all this separately, it will cost you nothing less than 80,000 naira if you have to get them separately, which will all cost more than what you're actually paying for. Okay, so because all you need is just one job, to recover all the money you are investing right now, because this is an investment. Don't look at the money you want to pay now, look at the money you tend to achieve in the nearest future. And the beauty of this is that I am here, and more than 100 plus entrepreneurs are here to support you into achieving your goal. But instead of paying 80,000 naira, I will be giving it to you. If you will be making the payments now, I will be giving it to you for just 15,000 naira. Anytime from now, you need to get this offer again and probably pay 20,000 naira for just the web design course without having the extra bonuses I just listed now. So I know you might be skeptical that if this will work for you or not. Like, you might be skeptical, and you have every right to be skeptical, because there are a lot of stuff on the internet right now. There are a lot of scams, there are a lot of values that actually do not deliver what they promise. But here's the deal: if you should implement all the strategies in this course and did not make at least 200,000 naira in your first 2 months of starting this business, I will refund your money back to you ×2 of what you paid me. So which means if you get started with 15,000 naira, I will pay you 30,000 naira for compensation, for wasting your time. So if you paid 20,000 naira for the package and you didn't eat 200,000 naira in the first 2 months, you'll be paid 40,000 naira for compensation. To be honest, I feel like that is one of there's no way on earth, if you should implement everything in this particular course, in this particular web design course, there's no way you won't make more than 200,000. I'm 100% certain of that if you should implement that. Okay, so and I feel like even adding more bonuses to this to just sweeten everything. So if you make the payment right now again, I will also give you access to Elementor Pro, which costs $1,000 for free. All right, so that's another bonus additional to what you have already listed. This is just another bonus from me to you. Okay, I just feel like adding one more bonus. Okay, I will be giving you access to Elementor Pro, which actually costs $1,000 for free. So Elementor is a website builder, if you don't know what it is, which makes building websites pages super easy. So you'll be getting all this for 15,000 naira if you make the payments now. But if you are making any time from now, maybe probably tomorrow, maybe probably next to tomorrow, you'll be paying 20,000 naira. No talk. If you are making the payments right now, you'll be paying 50,000 naira. I'll be getting all these bonuses I've listed so far. So if you're ready to get started now, go ahead and type I am interested in my DM, and I will be seeing you in the other side. So go ahead and type I am interested now, and I will be seeing you. Peace out.